Hi guys, Marilyn here, and I'm going to share with you how I actually use Claude AI, where I created a limb system for my company workflow, and sharing how an example of Claude is actually even like running through my whole entire system to check it out, and I am actually giving it a prompt for it to write out the whole instruction manual, and I'm going to share screen with you to show you how exactly it is like right now. Okay, so just go on. Cool. Right, guys, so you can see that this is the screen. For those who do not know, Claude, actually you are able to actually to do this extension. Okay, you need to actually to install it. It is actually very powerful because it can actually go into your different site to actually to run it some things. Okay, but of course, cautious of it. Don't anyhow give out your details, credit card information, things like this. Okay, so make sure, I just want to check to see that it can see my page. So as you all can see, and so actually I asked to just check, and you can see that the prompt that I give in here is actually to take a look at my this whole entire limb system, and to also to understand the whole workflow. Okay, and you can see that I say one of my tasks today is to write out the whole instruction manual. So last time I used to spend a lot of hours just to beautify my whole instruction manual to understand the whole entire concept flow. And now I'm going to show you the hack tip that you can shortcut this whole process. Okay, so therefore you see the prompt I write is please write out, okay, the list of instruction manual with all the different roles to test out this whole entire system, and screenshot it in step by step. You need to write out step by step. Okay, so you can see, so Claude doing is thinking, okay, blah blah blah. So it actually has everything, trying to understand the whole entire system first. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so after that, then it will actually come to a point that asks me this final question. Okay, see, I have actually have all the key modules and which form you want. So in Google Doc or copy and paste package. So I'm lazy, so I'm going to ask it, to just do it in Google Doc. So you can see that right now I'm hands-free. So I'm actually doing all in recording for you guys to see. Okay, so I say Google Doc, right? So where it is found in, let me show you. Can you see, guys? This is what Claude is actually doing it for me, and it's all auto. I am hands-free at all right now, and that is so wonderful. So you can see it actually has write my whole entire manual, and it's not done yet. They are still writing. So I love it. I do not need to put everything on hands. So this is the power of Claude AI. And if you really still want to learn how to actually to help you to improve in your office workflow, okay, that's where actually I'm conducting a class, okay, on Claude AI accelerated. Okay, there's 5 modules on it. So, and of course the benefit is how to use even Claude AI to actually to do and run your own online business. That is exactly what I'm doing. And so therefore I'm actually opening up my next cohort class for those who actually want to learn. Okay, so I will be teaching you how to even to run such process, create your own website, or even doing a system like what actually I have done, as you can see. Okay, so those who want, just click on the link in my description. Okay, and I'll see you in my class. So if not, just subscribe and follow me for more information. Okay, so take care. Follow me. Bye.